Do you want to know how to learn money in online? I will let you know 5 different ways to earn money online. Okay, stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, friends. If you are liking my videos, please consider to subscribe my channel and like it. Okay, let's get started with today's topic. I will let you know 5 different ways through which you can earn money online. Let's start. First one is investing money on stocks. Guys, investing money in stocks is very easy nowadays at online. You can do you can use many online sites like Zerodha, Grow, and many other individual sites like mutual fund sites, their own company's own mutual fund sites through which you can invest in stocks. It's pretty easy, but investing is pretty easy. But to find out the right kind of investment is tough. You need to do lots of research to find out the stocks, correct stocks, and then invest on it. And more importantly, staying invested on those stocks. It's really tough. So for a starting someone who wants to start, I would suggest instead of investing in a stock, I would rather suggest you to invest on index fund. Index fund is basically nothing but uh, investing on the indexes of certain country. Like for India, we have Nifty 50, we have Sensex. For US, we have 500 S&P. So you can invest on those indexes. There are different kind of funds from different fund manager, or I would say fund house, where you can invest. So investing in index is a little bit easier with terms of learning and all, because you are just investing, but actual investing things will be taken care of by the fund managers and all. So for starting, I would suggest to invest in index fund. Okay. Now going to the next one, that is starting a new YouTube channel. So YouTube channel is growing very rapidly, right? Many people are doing YouTube channels and then earning lots of money. And the reason is that the way internet is getting spread across many regions and countries, more and more people are coming, are connecting via internet, and they are starting using YouTube and many other various sites and all, right? So, and of course, the mobiles, which also plays a vital role in this journey. So, yes, you can be a part of this journey and become a content creator on YouTube. Now, creating YouTube videos is not that hard. It is easy. You just need to create an YouTube account, just Google account, and then you can create content and upload it. Upload those content in YouTube. It's not probably starting point of view. It's not that tough. Again, the tough would be to write down a or to create a good content. That will be the challenge. So when you upload your video and then your videos are being watched by many people, in that process, Google will show some ads on your YouTube channel, and Google will earn much some certain amount of money with those ads, and 1% of that money will be given back to you. There are many rules in order to earn money on YouTube. You would get to know once you start your journey on this. So again, guys, I should have told you early. I am giving you some options on how to earn money on online, but remember, it is not easy. It is going to be tough. All these five options that I'll be talking about, none of them are easy. It's really really tough. You need to be there, stay on it, put your hard work on it. Then only you will be able to earn money. It is not going to be easy. Many people would say it is easy, but yeah, it is easy to start. But to earn money and being there in this journey is going to be tough, and you have to be there. You cannot just come and then go back after a few days. So that is not going to help you, right? So YouTube earning is my second option. Now I'm going to my third option, that is selling digital courses. So nowadays there are many sites. You have Udemy, you have Graphy, you have Skillshare, you have Maven. All those sites are there where you can upload your course. Suppose you are good at maybe in Java technology, or good in maybe in English, or maybe in some other technologies, right? So if you are good on those, then you can create a course, and then upload in those sites. And then once people are coming and taking those courses, you will earn money. Again, here the course price might not be that big. You maybe you can put it in like 100 rupees or 200 rupees. But the number of people, more you get, more students who will be taking those courses, then only you will get more, significant amount of money you can earn. So yeah, so digital course is again a nice thing which you can start at online. Now the fourth one is selling your skill. It's a little bit different than course. Here you are selling your skill, whatever skill you have. Suppose you have a, good skill in writing content. So lots of content writer who suppose they have YouTube channel, they can hire you for writing purpose. So you can sell your skill to them. Suppose you are good in photography, or maybe you are good in digital campaign. Maybe you are good in some programming thing, right? Whatever be the skill, you can sell your skill in online. You can use Fiverr or Upwork, right? Those sites you can utilize. Go to those sites, create a profile, and then promote yourself, your skills. And once you get customer, one by one, you will start earning money. Initially it will be a little bit tough to get money, get customers, but once you deliver work, then one or two or three works you deliver it nicely, and you get a good feedback from the customer, then it will be smooth. That is what I feel. So yeah, selling skill is my fourth options to start earning money in online. Fifth one, I would say online tutor. Nowadays, especially because of COVID, many people and students are looking for online tuitions. There are many sites. Suppose, for example, Cambly for English, or you can say for English for the Cake for tutorships, right? For homework, doing homework. Then we have tutor.com. There are many sites where you can basically enroll yourself as a tutor and then provide your service as a tutor, earn good amount of money. So these are my five options to earn money online. There could be many more, but these are something which where you can earn significant of money if you stay there and stay focused and do the things for a longer time. Let's say 6 months to 1 year, you can earn money. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.